Today I will show you how to change hertz in Audacity, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now hertz, spelled H-E-R-T-Z, is a SI unit for frequency, measuring cycles or events per second. So 1 Hz is usually equal to 1 cycle per second. Now the general use for hertz is it quantifies periodic phenomena like sound wave pitches, electromagnetic waves, or vibrations. And in Audacity, it represents how many audio samples per second. Now, a higher Hz captures more detail for better quality, but increases file size. So, to change the hertz of a project, after loading up your software, you'd likely need to open up the project that you need to change the hertz for also. So you're gonna go to file and you're gonna open the project. But I don't have any project, so I'm just gonna record a project. Now that I have this sample project that I want to change the hertz for, I'm gonna go to Audacity, and under Audacity I'm gonna go to preferences. Now if you're using a Windows computer, you'd want to go to edit and you go to preferences, but I'm using a Mac OS, so I'm gonna go to Audacity and I'm going to go to audio preferences. Now on the preferences, you're going to see audio settings, and you're going to scroll down till you see quality. Now when you see quality, you see the project sample rate. This is where you can change the hertz of your project, and once it's changed, you're just going to click on OK, and just like that, you've been able to change your hertz in Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.